EA600COB2 COB LED screen is an indoor LED display screen that uses advanced COB display technology. It stands out for its excellent performance and convenient design. Its ultra-thin design, with a thickness of only 38 mm and a weight of only 5.5 kg, not only improves the convenience of installation and handling, but also realizes the front maintenance function, greatly simplifying the maintenance process. In addition, the EA600COB2 adopts a hub connection design, and the LED module data and power input do not require additional DC power cords and cables, making the installation simpler and more efficient, saving time and labor costs. In terms of display effect, the EA600COB2 provides excellent pixel pitch, smoother module surface and higher reliability with COB LED technology, ensuring the fineness and stability of the picture. At the same time, its color performance is more realistic, and it can present rich and vivid visual effects to meet the needs of high-end indoor displays.